Hi, my name is Onong Izong and I'm from Kohima Science College. And
Hello everyone, my name is Nyandini Yandan and I'm from Kohima Science College.
so the thing which really attracted me in this Bloom Bazaar was the artist section.
We are really happy because after such a hectic day, I was really happy to see all my friends, their face, they lightened up after looking at the flowers.
Being an artist, even me, the portraits and the paintings that the local artists made, they were really beautiful and attracting.
It was like a really serene place, and I would like to invite all the people out here, like who are nearby, staying near Kohima or maybe in Dimapur, to come and visit this place. It will really make you happy.
And I would really recommend each and every one of you to visit the local stalls out there in the Bloom Bazaar. They really sell good eatables such as the local rice and the coffees. So I encourage you all to visit the stalls, and lastly I would suggest to visit all the flower stalls since they have prepared us with a beautiful variety of flowers which we don't see here often. So it's really fascinating to see this kind of flowers. So yeah, by this I would like to end. Thank you.